Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if this iPhone failed to save items from Airdrop, so how can fix it? So first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find here Wi-Fi. Just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have the error, so just go to the cellular data and just try to turn it off and turn on again. So if you still have the error, so just check your free space on your iPhone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open iPhone storage and just check if you have enough free space for saving your airdrop items. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the error, so just go to airdrop and just check. If you choose here everyone, so just check the sync. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your phone. So just go to the software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful installs the latest updates for your iPhone. And also the latest option you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.